Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about paying or sending money using a credit card through the Cash App. So what you want to do from the home page of the Cash App is enter in how much money that you want to send. So let's say we wanted to send $5, so we enter that in right here, then go down and click the Pay button. And then at this point, we need to select where we want these funds to come from. So here right at the top, it says it's going to come from my cash balance, but you can click this little down arrow to open up a menu. And that gives us this menu at the bottom where we have the option where we can send the funds through our cash balance. Otherwise, we can opt for a credit or a debit card that we might have linked to our account. So we can see here that we have a credit card and there's going to be a fee associated with this. But if we click on the credit option, then we can now see here at the top that it is the credit card that would be sending these funds, not our Cash App balance or our debit card or some other funding method that we might have. So then at this point, all you have to do is enter in either the name, cash tag, phone number, or email of the individual or business that you want to send these funds to. And if you want, you can add a note. And at this point, you can go to the upper right-hand corner, click pay, and then those funds will be sent using that credit card. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the steps on how you can send funds using a credit card through the Cash App. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.